Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Malibu. Stock number is A6974. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Assurance tires. Taking a look inside, you have leather interior. Seats are very clean. One more look down the passenger side. Then swinging around to the back end, you have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Looking in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.